Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you a very secret tricks how we can use ChatGPT or any AI tool to generate any kind of leads like B2B, B2C. So this is a very helpful video. Nobody going to show you these tricks. I hope you like the video. So let's begin the video. I have a very secret search form. By using it, we can generate any kinds of leads from Facebook, LinkedIn, or any kind of social media. So scrap the leads we have to do. First of all, open any browser and copy this search form and paste in the URL box. I will be attach this search form in the description. And the first part we have to enter the keyword, and from and we have to enter the location, and after the search after the site clone, we have to enter the social media. So I need some digital marketing agency data. So I am entering the keyword here. And after that, here I need to enter the location, California. And I want to scrap from Instagram. So I need to enter the Instagram into the site prompt. So after that, you need to simply hit the enter button. So here you can see all of digital marketing agency Instagram pages. So how we can scrap this data by using AI? So this is a very important part. Watch this carefully. So scrap this data. We will use the ChatGPT. So into another tab, we need to type ChatGPT. After coming the ChatGPT prompt box, we need to enter a prompt like this. I will give you some data you need to filter and need to scrap this all of agencies email and phone number location. After that, give me the data into table or a Google Sheet and add a clone. So after that, come to the search result, copy the all searches, and now come to the ChatGPT and paste this all of data after the prompt. And again come to the search result and go to the second page, copy the all of search with the all of search result and come to the ChatGPT and paste again. This is where you can enter on a one by one paste result into the ChatGPT prompt, and after entering the 4 5 pages you need to enter, you need to hit enter in the ChatGPT. And here you can see ChatGPT doing. So here you can see ChatGPT filtering the data, and here you can see the table all of data, include all of data. So from here you can copy this data and paste in your Google Sheet or Microsoft Excel. So this is it. So if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.